welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lluvia, and if you guys want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe or comment down below. Bye. I am going to be using this brow pencil. It is my favorite at the moment, and I'm just going to start off by brushing my eyebrows. And this pencil is bomb as hell. I love it. Have you guys noticed that I always use that word, bomb as hell? So on the front, I just kind of like to blend it like that. I'm just basically trying to fill in my eyebrows where I think or where I don't see any hairs. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you guys should definitely go subscribe. Any comments or any ideas, any videos that you guys would like me to upload, let me know, and we'll take it from there. I'm gonna be cleaning my brow with this eye shaper. I don't really know where I got it from, but I use it. I like to clean the top first. I feel like I should have just done my eyebrows off camera because it does take me forever. So now that I clean, I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sculpting brush, and I just like to blend it with this. I will be linking my for those that would like to add me on social media. It will be down below. Put some of my my Tarte concealer on my eyelid. And I'm just gonna go in with the same brush and just spread it on the eyelid. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this palette from HUDA Beauty. Check these colors out. I am gonna start with this Play. I'm gonna put some on my eyelid brush. And then after applying that, I'm gonna go in with my my Morphe 441. Looks like this. I'm gonna grab this color right here. It's called Love Bite. This one right here. And then after I grab that one, which this one will be my transition color, I'm just gonna go in and grab the Spaint. Been naughty girl. And I'm just gonna go back and forth blending. And like I said, this will be my transition color. Love Bite. With my Morphe 549, I'm gonna be grabbing the Spaint. Just blending that in the inner. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. Doesn't have a name. I don't know where I got it from. And I'm gonna add some pinky, this color right here. With my concealer, because I will be applying a little bit of glitter to my eyelid. I'm gonna grab this brush and just kind of grab a little bit of concealer and just I'm just grabbing some with my finger and just pressing on it so it could stay. Look at that, pretty. I'm just gonna grab my Morphe brush and kind of just clean because a lot of glitter kind of fell on me. My MAC concealer. And then with my same Real Technique brush, I'm just gonna start blending. And it's like long lasting. And we're just gonna go in with the same brush and just blend. Foundation I will be wearing today, it's my MAC foundation, the color NC25. I'm gonna be applying it with my Huda Beauty brush. I feel like this foundation is like real thick as well, and I don't really like to wear a lot of foundation, so I'm just putting a little bit. I feel like I have all these layers of makeup with this foundation, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm gonna be putting it in with my Tarte brush, this brush right here. It's kind of like, I feel like I'm baking, but I'm not really baking because this is not a baking powder. I am gonna be doing my eyeliner with my Fenty eyeliner. And now I'm gonna be doing it on the other eye. I'm gonna be applying some of my mascara because I'm gonna put on my Falsies Tarte mascara. I will be wearing my House of Lashes. These ones are the Allura Lit. And I will be applying them with my dual glue and yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna be putting them off camera. So now that I put on my lashes, I did put mascara under my eyes, and I did go in with the same palette that I was using, this Huda Beauty palette, and I put some under my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty product to put this one right here, the Mojito, to put some on my inner eye to make them pop out. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty bronzer in the color Caramel Cutie, and I'm gonna be applying it with my Tarte brush. Put some on top of my forehead. I like to put some right here. And then I'm gonna be going in to contour my nose a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this and kind of like blend it. This is a Morphe N530. And I'm just gonna put in a little bit of those of colors lipstick. With this is the, what is it, the Too Faced Polite Lips. Using the Anastasia highlighter. And I'm going to be applying some with this brush right here. I'm going to apply some right here. Can you see the fucking highlighter? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. It will be linked down below. And subscribe to my channel.